Are you tired of your Smartsheet project timelines being thrown off by holidays you forgot to account for? Learn how to add holidays in under 2 minutes. I'll show you exactly where to find the holiday settings and how to add multiple dates at once. Let's dive in. Start on the Smartsheet homepage, where all your sheets are listed. Then open the sheet you want to edit by clicking on its name. Right-click any column header to bring up the context menu. From that menu, click on Edit Project Settings. In the Project Settings dialog, locate the Working Days section. Click the Edit button next to it. Now find the Non-Working Days area. Click the Date Picker icon and choose the date you want to add as a holiday. You can add multiple holidays here. Just type a comma after each holiday date to separate them. Once you've added all your holidays, click OK to close the date picker. Then click OK again to save your holiday settings, and you're all set. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.